Hello, and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the condition of a 190,000 mile BMW E92. So we're going to have a look at the interior and if there's any repairs need doing, we're going to do them. So let's get on with it. Let's show you the condition of this BMW with 190,000 miles. It's the first overall look of the car. Let's have a bit of a close-up. Before we have a close-up, have a look at the rear seats. You see here a bit of scratch. A few minor scratches here. No rips and tears. No fading. Yes, the carpets do need to clean. Centre console. This little mark here. Maybe a fingernail. Everything's in perfect condition now. No rips or tears on the gator. We do have this very slight peeling in one place. It happened when I leather balmed the seats for the first time, cleaned, balmed them. Must have been a small scratch. Started lifting. Absolutely no peeling, scratches. Move on to the wheel. Alright, it's the steering wheel. Very slight mark there. As you can see, this is an original wheel. A very small mark here. That's just a bit of dirt. No wear. Very small amount of bubbling there on the wheel. You can see these little bubbles just down there. There was a tiny amount of peel. Like I said, when I very first got the car, that's just a seatbelt. I cleaned it and it lifted. That paint that they use, BMW use. But overall, for 190,000 miles, what's 100 and, let's just check. Now we do have a tyre pressure warning lights. I have changed the wheels. I do not have sensors, but 188,760. We have an updated system. But let's check the front seats now. We have switches. And yes, the car needs a clean. Here we go. So, have some paint worn off the bolster. But overall, apart from this wear on the bolster, there's no rips, there's no tears, but there is some worn paint. So that's what we'll be tackling today. So that is the condition of my almost 190,000 mile BMW E92 330. A couple of scratches. Overall. So moving on to passenger seats. Absolutely no wear at all. And this is Dakota leather, red coral. 9 miles. Very slight cracking some areas. So, onto the seat repair. One of the first things you're going to have to do, or should do, is put some gloves on to prevent your grease, sweat, interfering with the paint. So, get our gloves on. This is all I have available. So, gloves on. I'm going to take a cloth. This is lint-free cloth, cleaner. So just a degreaser. But it is suitable for fabrics, among many other things. So, spray a cloth. Have a wipe. It may have been previously painted quite badly. It's coming off. So, step one. Clean off anything loose. Okay. Then I'm going to take an alcohol wipe. What you really should do is use some LRC 15 to degrease and prepare the surface, but I don't have any at this moment. So I'm going to clean, degrease, and then alcohol wipe the surface. And this is what I have. Dabble pen. So, how to use: apply a test in an indiscriminate area. Shake vigorously for 20 seconds. Gently press tip, applying and putting action until coloured is flowing. Apply a thin layer, each allow to dry. Use a hairdryer, speed up drying process. Wait 24 hours before using leather. So take our gloves, what came with our gloves. I'm just going to dab till it comes out. Okay. Now, I'm going to allow it to dry for a few moments. Take a sponge. Just to smooth everything off. Here's how we're looking after the first coat. It doesn't look like a perfect match. And there is more orange in it. But we'll let that dry now and come back. It has covered all of the whites exposed and darker discoloration. Right, the seat has been drying now for around an hour or so. So I'll just give you a quick look. It already looks much better, so that back on with the gloves. Shake the paint again. Now we'll just continue. So, just going to give it a minute or a few minutes to dry and take off any excess. Right, so that is the second coat complete. Bring you in, show you, have a look. So just going to let that dry again. This is the finished result. It's much better. You can still see where the paint has been put on. It's a little bit patchy, so we may have to smooth it off, blend it in a bit, but that is much better. Thanks for watching, guys.